Solid advice on how to be successful in the stock market. There is a ton of investing advice out there. Facts are, it would take you forever to read everything about investing, and more than likely, you would just come away confused. So how do you learn the basics that any investor needs to know? Continue watching to find out where to begin. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. Make sure that you're swatching out your investments. It's better to spread things out than it is to put all of your hopes into one stock. Failing to diversify means that the few investments you do participate in must perform well, or your stay in the market will be short-lived and costly. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. Make a habit of buying good stocks and holding on to them. Rapid trading can rack up costs, fees and taxes very quickly. Traders who engage in this kind of behavior also tend to try to time fluctuations in market pricing to capitalize on short-term gains. In addition to being risky, this means investing in companies they have not researched, which you probably do not have the time to do every day. That's all it takes. All of the basic information about investing in the stock market you need to know to begin. It is important to look ahead and plan for your financial future. Now that you understand the basics of investing, it is time for you to use what you have learned to improve your financial future. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.